Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about Taobao Chinese shopping app. And in today's video, I'm going to explain to you difference between order on transit and order that has been successfully received on Taobao Chinese shopping app. Let me show you how. But before we dive into the tutorial, as you know me, my name is Rafi Yakub. I'm an importer and a procurement agent. If you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao, or Pinduoduo, or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account or your WeChat wallet, or you want me to teach you more about China importation business, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. And don't forget to subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorials like this. So with that being said, let's get started. Very first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up my Taobao. Having opened up my Taobao, next thing I'm going to do is to click on here to proceed to my profile. Then for every order on transit, you're going to find them right here. So what you need to do is to click on this particular bus icon, and it's going to take you right here. Now, as at the time of making this video, these are all order on transit and some of the order that has been successfully received right here. Now, how do you know if an order is on transit? So for you to identify order that is on transit, this icon serves as the order on transit. Any one of the items that you see this bus icon right here, this fan icon, it means that the order is on transit. It has not yet been delivered to your address. Take a look at this one also. It's on transit. So if I click on this bus icon now, it's going to open up just like what you see right here. You can see the order still on transit. It has not yet been delivered successful. Now, let's take a look at how you can know if the order has been successfully delivered and received in China. Take a look at this particular icon right here. I'm going to simply click on it. Then I'll simply drag down to see the tracking detail. Just like what you see right here. You can see now that this order here has been successfully received. Okay, so any one of the icon that you see that indicates this check mark symbol right here, it simply means that the order has been successfully delivered. So take a look at this one also. This product here also has been successfully delivered. So let's check it out. So by the time I drag down, then you have it right here. No more bus movement right here, but a check mark, which indicates that the order has been successfully received in China. It's that simple. For more tutorial tips and tricks on how to import from China using Taobao Chinese shopping app, consider to subscribe. And lastly but not the least, if you want me to procure a link on 1688, Taobao or Pinduoduo or Idlefish, or you want me to pay a Chinese supplier, or you want me to fund your Alipay account, consider to contact me on WhatsApp with the number in the description of this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.